All right, guys, here we go. This is going to be the final series to this training video on how to create your first blog post here and how to set it up, how to index it with Google. This is going to be it, guys. Final stages. Let's just briefly go through what we talked about in part one, part two. Okay, as you can see, you got your H1, which is your heading one up here. We chose choosing the right mentor. That was the keyword that I'm going to use. I'm going to make sure that this is all correct as well, that it matches, right? So I'm going to click OK. I'm going to make sure choosing the right mentor is lined up with my other keyword, so that way the URL is the same. Okay. Secondly, remember we talked about how to make clickable images. We put your content on there. We took, if you have been posting before, you always want to put related clickable links inside your blog post that you're creating now, so that way it pings back towards each other. We showed you how to create your H2, which is your heading 2. We showed you how to make it easy on the reader's eyes. And we showed you how to copy and paste your signature that you're going to use for every single blog post. And then we showed you what plugin to use to help increase your SEO rankings, which is search engine optimization. That's what it stands for, SEO. As you can see, after tweaking everything is green. So that's exactly what I wanted. In my description, I always put something enticing. Now, this is what people's going to read below the picture once you advertised it. Let's say, for example, you're wanting to post the URL, which is here. You're wanting to post this URL on Facebook, for example. Once you paste that, an image is going to appear if you have hosting, right? Underneath that picture, guys, they're going to see the title, they're going to see the picture, and then they're going to see your description, okay? I always like to entice my readers to make them want to click on it, right? So before choosing the right mentor to help you in online marketing, ask yourself these 8 questions. Click here to learn what they are. What I do is I put something enticing to help my readers want to click on it, right? I'm being very specific, I'm being direct, and then I'm putting a CTA, which is abbreviated for call to action, okay? I always put that at the end because you're basically telling your reader what to do, okay? Now the next thing, I also showed you how to create a category. I showed you how to add the tags, okay? Now the very next thing to do, guys, is this, okay? We want to preview the changes, make sure everything is correct and all that good stuff. Now, inside your content, remember your main keyword, right? Choosing the right mentor, that's your main keyword, right? And again, this is just my demonstration, guys. You're going to have different keywords inside your blog post on whatever topic that you want to talk about, guys. But notice how I always put this at the beginning of the sentence, guys. This is going to help Google index my keyword a lot more effectively. What I do is I bold my keyword. And remember, we talked about that. We showed you how to do that. You always want to bold your first keyword. Second, write a little bit more content. And let me see if I can find it on here. I did this for you already, so that way we can go real quickly on what to show you, okay? Then your second one, all right? Now what I did is I kind of went towards the center of my content. And right here's the keyword again, choosing the right mentor. See, that is the same keyword I used in the heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, all of that, right? Now, I also want to include that inside the content of my blog post, right? So what you do is you always want to make this italic, okay? So just simply click on the I, highlight this area like so, click on the I, and now it's going to be italic. Now scroll down. After you have put your keyword on here, you always want to put your keyword at the very end of your blog post as well, guys. And you do that by simply highlighting this keyword again. Remember, this choosing the right mentor was the keyword I chose. It's inside my H1, H2, H3, as well as, separated sporadically amongst my content. So towards the bottom, I'm going to highlight this. So you just simply highlight this and click on underline. Okay, just click on the U that has a little underline underneath the U and just click on it, guys. And what that does, okay, just a little trick of the trade, guys. This is how to manually index your blog post without having to use all these tools and open up a million tabs to find this, to find that, guys. This is just a simple way to index your blog post, your content, so it can be found on search engines, guys. And what that's going to do as a result is this. Once we have everything in place, you know, it seems like a lot at first, guys, but once you do this time and time again, guys, it becomes easier. So don't let it stress you out. Don't get frustrated. Just simply follow my instructions that I'm giving you, and just model after what I'm doing, guys. I promise you, I've been blogging for several years. I gained lots and lots of organic traffic to my blog post. I gained a lot of traffic, a lot of leads, and a lot of sales from it. So definitely model after this, guys. This is the correct way of doing it. Make sure your SEO is green. Finalize after you're happy with the result. Finalize it by simply clicking update or publish, whatever that button says. And then grab that URL, right? Now I've already created this, so I'm just going to simply go back. Let me show you one last thing real quick. This is important as well, okay? I'm going to show you add the insert read more tag, okay? And you're going to see what it looks like at the end, because this I forgot to do in my actual blog post. So I'm glad we're going over this together real quick. I'm going to give my reader, the ones that I drive, you know, eyes on my particular blog post. I'm going to give my reader just enough information to give to want them to read more, okay? So I have a picture. I have a paragraph. Now I'm going to simply click this insert read more tag right there. Now I'm going to update it. Watch how this is going to turn out, guys. All right. Now I'm going to simply view my post. I'm going to click on post updated, you know, view that. What it's going to do is it's going to pull up. Another lead just came in. I'm getting bombed over here with leads. Then you scroll down. Let's go back to, I'm going to click on this to actual my website and show you what this is going to do and what it's going to look like. Okay, so what you, okay. All right, when people visit, let's just say they go to therealchadcook.com, right? All right, what they're going to do is they're going to click on the show post and see how this looks right here, guys. Before choosing the right mentor, ask yourself these 8 questions. I have my picture up, I have my paragraph now right here. See, it stops right here, so I don't have a bunch of long, you know, paragraphs, a lot of blogs just bunched together. It separates it, right? So if they want to read more, if they're reading this right here and they're getting interested, right? They want to learn more about what else do I have to say on this blog post. They're going to simply click read the rest right here. Very, very simple, guys. And see, now it just opens up and they can just read everything that I have wrote about. And right at the bottom, remember the rule of thumb, give, then offer, right? That's the rule of thumb. 90% value, 10% offering opportunities or something of value that's free. In my case, I did both, right? They can click here, they can enroll themselves into our mentorship program, so they can get properly trained on internet marketing, or they can just simply grab a book. Very, very simple. They're going to click on it, fill in a couple of blanks, and then they're going to have their booklet instantly downloaded or emailed to them, however you have yours set up. But that's it, guys. And then all you do is grab this URL. Let me just go back here. Let's go back to visit site real quick. And let me put this up so you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay. Now I'm going to scroll down here. Show more blog posts so I can pull up everything. I'm going to click on this right here. Guys, this is what's going to pull up the URL. which is located up here at the top. And then all I'm going to simply do, guys, is I'm going to copy this URL and then I'm going to paste that onto Facebook, Google Plus, everywhere on social media to market my value. Now, once you market your value, guys, you're driving traffic to your blog, which in that, as a result of that, guys, remember the rule of thumb: give, 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 offer. You're going to read your content, relate with you with what you're talking about, and then they're going to simply, after they get done, they're either going to enroll in stuff, they're going to click around, they're going to shop around, open up these tabs, opt in to your autoresponder, they're going to click here, you know, and review opportunities. They can grab ebooks, they can join themselves into the online marketing university on Google as well as Facebook. You know, they have a bunch of options by visiting your website, guys. And this is art of marketing without marketing, guys. You're leading them with value and driving traffic to your blog, letting them gain education for free, and then giving them the opportunity to shop. Very, very simple. It's a psychological trick that works in 2015, guys. I'm not going to show you anything that's expired, outdated, that these gurus try to tell you, guys. What I'm showing you, I apply every single day, and it works. So now I'm giving you the opportunity to do exactly how I do it, guys. So hopefully that helped. This will conclude part 3 in how to create a blog post, how to index it with Google, and how to gain free organic traffic, leads, and convert to more sales, guys. Take care. We'll see you in the next video, guys.